Let me mix my salad. You see, I cut everything already, but I showed them how the way I cut it so that I get nice different shape. Now I cut it finish. Let me put salt. Then I put the salt, paprika powder, small. Also, you can use black pepper too. Paprika herbs too. Okay. Then my olive oil. You can use normal oil if you don't have olive oil at all. Let me mix it. Now let me put my onions and mix it inside. Now let me put the tomatoes. I put the onion. Let me put the tomatoes and join. Now let me put garden herbs. Also for salad. You know how you look. Every shop you can get it. Then okay. If I miss it, the taste is not the way I want, I will join another one. I will add one more. You see how my salad look? Now let me join one more. It's so nice, eh? Wow. Okay, let me mix it. You see how my salad look? Wow. It look nice. Okay, I'm finished my salad. Let me go and bring my everything I done. Let me go and bring it.